Okay, today we're looking at the Guoubou magnifying glasses. So let's take a look at these guys right here. All right, so here they are. It does come with an adjustable band. Here are the glasses themselves. It has two LED lights. Let's turn them on right now. So you can do it individually, one at a time. It's USB-C powered, and then you can also change the color of these lenses if you needed a different style of light. Let's demonstrate that right now. Okay, so easy to replace, or you can just have it like that as well. But if you're looking for a different style of light, you can also have it like this. There's only two settings. That's the highest setting, so that's off, regular, and then high setting. And here are the magnifying glasses. Okay, we have a 2 times, 4 times, and then the highest it goes is a 13 times. Let's open it up. Here's the case for it, and I'm going to demonstrate how you put them in to the glasses. Now they recommend that you only use this one at a time, and so as you can see, they are adjustable, so you don't want to use them at the same time because it would affect your vision, and you might have a little bit of strain if you do that. So in order to put these in, here you go. So you have 2 slots as well, so you can actually combine these, which is pretty interesting. So you can actually have another size in here, and you can double up on your magnifying glass. Now the only thing is about these magnifying glasses, so you have to be right up close in order to see the magnification. Otherwise you're not gonna get that distance, so you're gonna want to be right up close with it. You also have an exchangeable. You don't have to have the band on. You can actually remove the band and have these just like regular glasses, and those attach pretty easy. You just detach your glasses here, you press down on that like that, and then you'll be able to exchange, put that there. So again, with the second one, just push down on this. Okay, so now we have just like a regular glasses, and you also have this here for your forehead. It's supposed to provide some comfort, and this part is for your nose. Although I got to tell you that after wearing them, because I do use these to work on watches, if you wear them for a very long time, this part here starts to feel uncomfortable. Just so you know, and be aware of that. Now, as far as wearing them with prescription glasses, I don't wear prescription glasses, so I'm not sure. It does look like you can, but I can't confirm if that's the case. But this is what it looks like right there. It does come with a USB-C cable to charge your glasses and your LED lights. It also has a little cleaner cloth that it comes with, and it's got a nice little case with the extra rubber band. So far I like what I got. The results are pretty good for working on the watches. I'll just demonstrate what it looks like on myself right now. Okay, so if you were wearing glasses, there is enough distance here between your eye and this. So if you were wearing prescription glasses, I suppose that you can wear them, and then you want to wear them one at a time. And this is what it looks like with the nose. Oh, by the way, you can adjust the lights to look completely down, so you can have the LED light on there, or you can move it up so you can have a straightforward visual like that. It depends on how you want to use it. Again, you want to use them separately. I don't have a lens in here, but I like the fact that you can interchange them and have another glass in there to amplify the magnification. So there you go. That's it. That's my short review of these magnifying glasses. You can use it for reading, for watch repair, tiny models, different things that require you to look up close, and these will work just great.